Welcome to our channel. Activating your Wells Fargo gift card online ensures it's ready for shopping. Step 1. Find the activation website address printed on the sticker attached to your Wells Fargo gift card. Step 2. Using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser and type in the activation URL. Step 3. On the activation website, locate the gift card number field and enter the full 16-digit number from the front of your card. Step 4. Enter the 3-digit security code found on the back of the card within the signature panel. Step 5. Provide your zip code if requested to verify your location and identity. Step 6. Click the Activate, Submit, or Continue button to process your activation request. Step 7. Review the confirmation screen that displays your successful activation and current gift card balance. Step 8. Take note of your available balance and keep this information for reference when shopping. Step 9. If offered, register your gift card by creating an account or providing additional information for balance protection. Step 10. Store your gift card safely and keep it separate from other cards to avoid confusion. Your Wells Fargo gift card is now active and ready to use wherever Visa debit cards are accepted. You can check your balance online at any time using the same activation website. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.